Three words: the atmosphere of the residential.
Educational.
Enjoyable.
Definitely entertaining.
Insightful.
Very genuine.
My name is Finn and I'm from White Sixth Form College. We've come up from Hull to look around the University of Sunderland to find out if this is a place we want to go to. And yeah, I think it's been a great experience.
My name's Gemma and I've come from White Sixth Form College in Hull. I'm the Head of Careers and Skills. It's been quite a bespoke trip which I don't feel students would experience on an open day. I think the University of Sunderland is an exciting place to study media because I think the facilities are world class. I think not only is the university welcoming, it's inspiring, and I think the people that we've met over the last couple of days, and especially the academics, are so passionate about what they deliver, and I think that is infectious for the students to get involved with.
My name is David and I'm from White Sixth Form College. I think the programme helps students to prepare for higher education in so many different ways. We're sort of engaging with industry professionals, people who've worked in the industry who are now academics. They're holding cameras, they're working with virtual studios, they're using animation, photography. It's been an amazing experience to see just what they can do and get involved with. And it's very, very different from everything we've done before in the past.
The most memorable part is finding out if university is for me. And I think I've made my decision and I like the idea of going to university. Three words to describe the residential, I'd say enjoyable, eye-opening and life-changing.